Hello and welcome back. I am Vandana and we are learning GK of Class 8. This is EduWrite series by Amit Publishing House and here is a book, Knowledge Navigator, Your GK Journey. So let's start chapter number 44, which is Our Country's Shield. So here we have to answer the following questions that is related to Indian Defence Services. Indian Defence Services से जुड़े हुए कुछ questions यहाँ पूछे गए हैं, हमें इनके आंसर देने हैं. So the first one is, into how many commands is the Indian Army organized? So Indian Army is organized under 7 commands, from which 6 are operational and 1 is in training. Next, second, name the rank that comes between captain and lieutenant commander in the Indian Navy. So Indian Navy में lieutenant और कैप्टन कमांडर के बीच में कौन सी रैंक आती है? सो इट इज लेफ्टिनेंट. नेक्स्ट थर्ड वन, द इंडियन नेवी वॉज अर्लियर नोन एज द रॉयल इंडियन नेवी. इंडियन नेवी को पहले रॉयल इंडियन नेवी के नाम से जाना जाता था. एंड व्हेन वॉज द वर्ड रॉयल रिमूव्ड? रॉयल वर्ड कब रिमूव किया गया था? सो इट वॉज रिमूव्ड ऑन 26 जनवरी 1950. नेक्स्ट फोर्थ वन, हु वॉज द फर्स्ट फील्ड मार्शल? पहले फील्ड मार्शल कौन थे? द हाईएस्ट रैंक इन द इंडियन आर्मी ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया. सो द फर्स्ट फील्ड मार्शल वाज सैम मानेकशॉ. नेक्स्ट फिफ्थ वन, व्हेन इज द इंडियन एयर फोर्स डे ऑब्जर्व्ड? सो इंडियन एयर फोर्स डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन 8 October. Next sixth one, who was the first Indian commander in chief of the Indian Army after independent India? So he was General K.M. Cariappa. Next seventh, who was the first women air marshal of the Indian Air Force? And she was Padmavati Bandyopadhyay. Now let's move on to the next eighth one. Who is the supreme commander of the Indian Defence Services? So Indian Defence Services का supreme commander कौन है? And this is the President of India. Next ninth one, name the rank that comes between group captain and squadron leader in the Indian Air Force. So Indian Air Force में group captain और squadron leader के बीच में कौन सी rank आती है? And it is wing commander. Next, 10th one, name the rank that comes between Major General and Colonel in the Indian Army. So, कौन सी रैंक है जो मेजर जनरल और कर्नल के बीच में आती है इंडियन आर्मी में? एंड इट इज ब्रिगेडियर. नेक्स्ट 11th, who was the first Indian chief of naval staff after independence? And he was Vice Admiral R.D. Kachari. 12th, when is the Indian Army Day observed? So it is observed on 15th January. Next 13th question, when is the Indian Navy Day observed? So it is observed on 4th December. 14th question, who was a founding member of the Indian Air Force and was also appointed the first Indian Chief of Air Staff in 1954? And he was Air Marshal Subrata Mukherjee. 15th question, which place is referred to as the world's highest battlefield? And it is Siachen Glacier. So these are the answers that you have to write down, and this was all for today. I'll be meeting you soon with a new video and a new chapter. Till then, stay tuned and thanks for watching.